is Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we are doing the June Facetory unboxing and the May Facetory review. Now obviously I have moved and I don't have all my furniture or anything yet. I'm still waiting for the movers to deliver it. So right now I'm sitting on the floor in front of the back of the fireplace and that is part of my bedroom, is this brick wall. And I'm using natural light just because I really don't feel like unpacking and setting up my lights. So this is what we have today, if you were wondering why it looks so different. And if you didn't know and are new to my channel, Facetory is a Korean sheet mask subscription service. You can get 4 to 7 masks sent to you every month. I get the 4 mask bundle, which is I think called Forever Fresh. It is around $9 a month, and I will have more information in my description box along with a referral code. I do pay for this myself. This is not sent to me, and all opinions are completely my own, including the bad ones. All right, let's get started. So I always save these to unbox on camera and get so excited. And when I used to get the 7 Lux, I used to get excited about the tissue paper, but these are just little baggies. And inside we have Busy Being Free, another postcard. So if you love to send postcards to your friend, that's a fun little bonus you get every month. And then, ooh, stickers. Okay, I get excited about these because I do plan, and I plan using stickers, and these are super cute. And these would actually be cute when I finally get my skincare fridge back to stick on my skincare fridge. So I'm excited to have these. The theme for June is summer is here. Treat your skin to some of the top sheet masks aimed towards calming, soothing, and balancing your skin. Relax, take a break, and bask in the glory of healthy, dewy, and hydrated skin. And they do include instructions on how to use the masks and information and prices on all the masks on this. And if you want to upgrade to a 7 Lux, you can get 20% off your first box with this code right here. The first mask is the Facetory SOS Restoring Mask with Royal Jelly. It retails for $3.50, and it has royal jelly and aloe to help soothe, smooth, and protect. Okay, first of all, this is the cutest, like, old school comic style packaging I've seen. I wish I could try it, but it does have aloe in it, which is one of my major irritants. So I will have my new roommate help me test this one out, and her daughter are really excited to help me test my skincare, so I'm glad I already have one for them. Next we have the Beautiful Factor Glow Sponge Hydrating Mask. It retails for $3, and it has 3 layers of voluminous sponge. This super plush sheet mask will immediately disperse skin calming and rejuvenating ingredients. Has apple extract, which will exfoliate, lactobacillus and camellia sinensis leaf extract, which will soothe, hydrate, and brighten. This one has me a little worried. Just scanning the ingredients towards the bottom, they do have soy in it, and soy is another major irritant for me. Last time I tried a product with soy, I actually swole up, and it was pretty scary. So I think this is another one for Stephanie and Avery, unfortunately, even though it sounds amazing. The third mask is the Yada Brightening Mask Pack. It retails for $3.50 and has citrus aurantifolia, whatever, it's lime extract and niacinamide, and the lime will brighten your complexion while the niacinamide works to provide your skin with hydration. The brightening mask pack actually looks, ingredients wise, like one that would be really good for my skin, so I'm super excited to try it, especially because I have had some hives and breakouts from reactions that have turned into dark spots, so I do need some brightening. The final mask is the Moksha Deer Aloe Mask. It retails for $3.50 and has green tea, aloe, chamomile, and cactus extract. that provide your skin with loads of skin calming and healing properties. The green tea will help balance your skin, while the aloe and cactus will help calm irritated and stressed skin. Obviously, I don't even need to look at the ingredients list of this one. This is a no for me, but again, I'm super excited to be able to have stuff to share with my new roommates since they were so excited to start helping me out with testing my skincare. So I'm not super disappointed. I'm glad that I can at least try one for the month of June, but I will let you guys know next month what we thought of these masks. Now let's get into reviewing the month of May. If you all know and have watched May's unboxing, I was able to try all 4 masks for the month of May, and I was super excited about that because, as you can see from June's unboxing, it's rare that I get to try all the masks, if even most of the masks. So the first mask was the Facetory Soothe Me Tea Tree, which retails for $5 and had lotus flower extract, which was moisturizing, soothing, and calming and prevented blemishes, and tea tree, which minimized redness, relieved acne, balanced oils, and evened out the complexion. I did like this one. I found it was pore reducing and healing, but it was a bit sticky, so if you don't like a sticky mask, I would stay away from it. And it also was a 2-step mask, I believe. Yeah, it was a 2-step mask, so if you don't like multiple step masks, then I would also avoid this one, but I did enjoy it and I would recommend it. Next we have the Apu Chocolate Milk Mask. It retails for $2.50 and has cocoa extract, which is a gentle exfoliant that will reveal a soft and even complexion, and milk extract, which is hydrating and will leave your skin feeling soft and supple. Oh no, I ruined the postcard from last month. Whoops. I found this one was really softening and really evened my skin tone and hydrated my skin at the same time. I would definitely do this one again. The third mask was the Look at Me Cucumber Essence Mask. It had cucumber fruit extract, and it is cooling and calming and helps minimize irritations and inflammation while hydrating, and mushroom extract, which will help heal and calm your skin concerns, and it retails for $3. I agree with all the claims on this one. It was cooling, it was calming, and it was super hydrating. I definitely recommend this cucumber essence mask. The final mask is the Equiporti Dual Balancing Moisture Mask. It retails for $2.50 and has lotus flower extracts, which cleanse and purifies the skin while adding antioxidant protection and moisture, and dandelion leaf extract, which is anti-aging and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as smoothing and detoxifying. I felt this one really smoothed my fine lines and added a lot of moisture to my skin, and I didn't notice that it cleansed and purified, but I'm just happy with the moisturizing and smoothing properties in it, so I would definitely do it again. Overall, was the month of May worth it? Yes, all 4 masks are a recommend or a repurchase for me, so I definitely say May was worth it. We will see what Stephanie and Avery have to say about June, because like I said, they have 3 of the masks to test and I only have 1. Oh, which one is it? Did I mix them up? Yeah, I think it's like this. I think these I can't try, but this one I can. I'm excited to try this one. We'll have to have a mask party and do some masks together, but overall, do I think the month of May was worth it? Absolutely. 4 out of the 4 masks were recommends or repurchases, and I will have those individual masks linked down below if you're interested. Facetory does sell individual masks, and these aren't affiliate links or anything like that. I'm not making a commission. It's just if you're interested in the mask, I am linking them directly to help you out, and I always have marked in the box if these are affiliate links, if these are affiliate codes, so don't ever worry about that. Like, I let you know. I'm not sneaky about that. Was the month of May worth it? Absolutely. All 4 masks were a recommend or repurchase for me, and I do link down below in the description box all the masks that I think are worth repurchasing if you would like to check them out. Facetory does sell masks individually, and again, if you'd like to sign up for their subscription, I do have a link down below that's a referral link. It just gives me points to go shopping for individual masks, and it gets you, I think, a free mask or two when you sign up. So that's all it does. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. I will see you guys next time. Bye.